Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can create an online banking account on PNC Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for a new tab and search in for a pncbank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of PNC Bank, you can see the sign in option on top right corner. You click on it. You will see the login form has been popped out where you need to provide your account credential, that is your user ID and password. Then click on login where you will get logged into your online banking account of PNC Bank. As we are going to get registered, you need to click on Enroll in Online Banking. Click on it. Here you can see the box at the right side. You have the information of what is required for online banking procedure. That is, you should have a social security number, that is SSN, also PNC Visa debit card PIN or online access PIN and PNC account number. If you have all of these three, then you can create an online banking account on PNC Bank. So you click on Get Started. To get enrolled in the PNC Bank, you need to go with the 4 steps. At very first, that is identification steps where you need to provide the following details. That is, you can go with any of these by clicking on the checkbox beside of it. As I am going with the social security number SSN, click on it. Here you need to provide your social security number. Now here you can see the account information. There you need to provide your PNC account number or personal debit card number. Now you go in for verify your information, that is you need to choose any of these 3. I'm going with the enter your PNC debit card PIN. Now you need to provide a PNC debit card PIN. After you provided all the information, you need to click on the next. Then you will be redirected to the another step, that is your second step where you will need to have user ID and password. Then you click on continue. You will be redirected to the third step. There you need to go for the security or verification process. Then click on continue. At very last step, you need to review and sign in. Once you are done with all the steps, you will have your online banking account for PNC Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign up for the online banking account on PNC Bank. Thank you.